welcome back Madam mexc everyone to come talk more about this particular program. Guys, it is time for you to make money and earn a luxury car for yourself between now and 2025. If you want to really earn any of these cars or any other luxury car of your choice, it is possible between now and 2025. Between now, this is November, and 2025, it is very, very possible. I already have my plan marked out on how to get one of these, guys. Okay, before I call in the next speaker, Madam mexc, I'm going to have to play a particular video introducing to you this new program called the Ultima Car Program 2.0. I'm super, super excited, man. It's mind-blowing, it's life-transforming. Please watch this video right now.
The biggest surprise of 2024 is the official launch of the updated Global Ultima Car Program 2.0. Over 1,000 cars will be shipped all over the world very soon. Asia, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, UAE, United Kingdom, Norway. Most importantly, you will be given the option to pay for your car with cryptocurrency and get Ultima for it. The program will be available to everyone. The grand launch is scheduled for December 2024. Get ready to get behind the wheel of your new car. You will immediately receive the car contract, car keys, and the car itself. Follow us on social media to be the first to know about the launch. Global Ultima Car Program 2.0. The future is here.
This is really helpful to me. Yeah! Woo! Hurra! The best day in my life for me, right? Hier ist der Vertrag und hier sind die Schlüssel. Und das alles dank Ultima.
All right, Madam mexc, over to you. If you're on the call, please speak up. Madam mexc. Are you sure my co-host is on the call?
I'm back, super, super excited, guys. I was just overwhelmed with the video. The excitement is real, guys. The excitement is real. I don't know about you, but let's just appreciate our top leader, Mr. Matthew Lucky, for that wonderful presentation. You know, I can never be tired of listening to how to make money. Trust me. It's only someone that does not know where it's going to that will say, I'm tired of this presentation. I've heard it over and over again. To me, every time I hear it, I get motivated to asking myself one or two questions. What am I waiting for? Those that are making millions, billions out of this, they don't have two heads. They have one head like me. Why am I not among those that are cashing out and making these millions? Like you heard from Mr. Matthew, I've been with the system for over 6 years now. It has been my money-making system. When they said when you are consistent in something, then you must reap the fruit of that thing. Once you are consistent, you're focused, you're determined, you definitely must reap the fruit. And Ultima has been one, platform that has not failed. I have been beaten so many times with other platforms. And after one major beat in 2015, I make up my mind that if I enter any other network marketing, financial network marketing, it must be one that have been tested and proven. And trust me, this company has been tested and proven. All you need to do is to get to know the integrities, which is why we are here to give you every now and then information that will keep you on board and keep you on abreast of what you need to do. Thank you very much, Mr. Matthew. It was very informative, and I believe that everybody here is super excited. There'll be time for questions and answers. Please still hold on there. There are more information coming. You don't want to miss the icing on the cake when the African country leader is going to be a stopover to just give us a word or two. Okay, before he comes on board, I want to charge us up on this latest project, the Ultima Cashback 2.0. It simply means that was a 1.0. So if you did not meet or you were not around when the 1.0 was launched, this is an opportunity for you. And like I said, when I started, I said people that are here on this Zoom you are destined to. Are we still on?
Yeah, we're on. Go ahead. The
Yeah.
screen,
You are destined
the screen is showing while you're talking.
You are destined to change status quo. That is why you're here. Never, never underplay opportunities that you catch. We're not so many on this Zoom, so that's why I tell people, I say, look, it's not the crowd that matters, it's the quality of people and those that need to strategically place themselves. I have placed myself strategically for this. In short, I've not gone to sleep. I have combed so many, I've written out so many roadmap for me to be able to own my own. This is an opportunity for me to own my own dream car. It's not just any other car, it's a dream car that pays me. Okay? Guys, have you ever thought of saving money? And when you're saving that money to buy a car, have you ever imagined that when you use that money to buy that car, you can ever get that money back? The only thing you have in your imagination is that, God, let me use that money and buy a good car that will last me at least, before it start giving me headache, at least for 5 years, right? But now you have an opportunity to key into a cashback program that not only pays you your money back, but enables you to earn daily income from a smart contract. I don't know if anybody's excited as I am. I am sure if we're in a room now, like the presentation we had on Friday, people were screaming, woo, woo, woo. The excitement was everywhere. The next question was, how can I be one of them? How can I also have my own car? That is the next question that everybody was asking. And I tell you, it is possible. Because the company knows that not everybody out there can afford to buy all these luxury cars. But they now put up an opportunity. And that opportunity is, tell yourself, what car do I want to buy? If I want to buy a Lexus, what do I need to do? It simply means you need to key into the ambassadorial, opportunity that the company also open up. You can become a marketer. You can become an ambassador to the company. Just like we are. I've been an ambassador of this company since 2019. And I am so proud of what the company has turned me to. They don't only pay you, they make you learn how to live the wealthy lifestyle, not the rich man lifestyle. I'm talking about wealthy lifestyle. They teach you how to travel the world. They teach you how to, set goal and meet goal, and then live your dream life. Now they are making each of the ambassadors not just live their dream, they also have their dream car. Okay? How would that be possible? For example, when you are able to market this product and sell to anybody, you bring in people to purchase. I'm going to give a very drastic example that makes it resonate into your mind. A client of yours or a friend of yours have been planning to buy a car, and you're able to tell them, oh, that car you're going to buy, please come. My company is selling car, and that car will earn you good money. And then that money comes back to you. I'm very sure such a friend will be very excited to get such information. And you sell a car for $100,000, give and take. I'm just giving an example. The company is telling you that you can make a whooping 40% commission. Is that not incredible? There is no other network marketing company in the world that pays 40% back to their ambassadors. Ultima does that. Ultima has always and will continue to back up ambassadors to make sure that you don't only sell to people and make other people rich, you yourself get the opportunity to also make yourself rich and also key into the opportunity. So you can imagine selling 3 cars of $100,000. You are getting a whooping $40,000 as commission. $40,000 as commission. Times 3, that's $120,000. Tell me if you'll not be able to get your own car. That is what has kept me sleepless. I have just been cracking my brain. I have written proposals. I have called people that I know that normally buy cars for their MDs, companies that buy cars. I've also looked at possible car dealers. I'm going to go and sell this opportunity. In short, a downline of mine during the meeting yesterday already have drafted out a proposal that he was going to go and give to their company car dealer where their company buy cars for their top performance staffs. So you can imagine everybody is on the run. So the question now is, are you ready to change the status quo? You know, I started with, if you're on this Zoom, it simply means you are ready or you're going to be changing your status quo very soon. It's not about whether you are an old team member or you're a new team member. If you're an old team member, please clap for yourself, because what you knew about Ultima is nothing compared to what Ultima is right now. Ultima has grown from where you had known it to something extraordinary. And you cannot be sitting on the fence while those that are just coming in on board newly will be cashing out on what you have known about years back. Okay? So let's be super excited. Let us draw out our goals before 2024, before the end of November. This and these numbers of cars are what I want to sell. And like you see in there, we have variety of cars. So it's not only $100,000 worth of cars. We have different brand of cars. Think the ones that are lower, 40,000, 60,000, all depends on the kind of cars whoever you are introducing to is interested to purchase. Okay? And I bet you that's end of year, how will I call it? End of year trip that you've been planning, you will definitely have it. So I tell people, I said, in Ultima, we do not allow the situations around us determine how we work. We allow our dream and focus to catapult us to where we want to be. Okay? I don't know if with this little charge, I've been able to, spark up something in us. For those of us that are here, if you are supercharged, please put it down, because I want to see people that I want to work with this way. If you are ready to work on this, we're going to hold your hands up and make sure we run with you to get on board and run fantastically well with this project. So yes. I hand you over to Mr. Matthew to continue to give us.
Oh yes, I'm super fired up. I'm super charged up. I'm super excited, guys. This car, one of this car on this screen, I'm going to pick it up. I already have one of them in mind. By the grace of God, God empowering me and giving me all the energy and enablement and resources, I will be able to get this car between now and 2025. Now, to add icing on the cake, before I bring in the next speaker, our top leader, Dr. Favor, is currently on the call. I just want to add one or two things to what she said. Now, she's focused on the reason why or how you, that is just the ordinary person, ordinary member, can actually have this car just by inviting someone. Now, what happens to the person that you invited? Let's assume you got a car dealer or one of these prominent guys or any of your friend that you think can afford a luxury car from maybe $50,000, $40,000. As a matter of fact, there's no brand new car that is less than $20,000 today, except it's Kia Picanto. Right? Now, at the end of the day, that person comes in, buys Ultima, freezes Ultima in his wallet. So long as he's buying that Ultima for this car that he's chosen, that I'm buying this Ultima because of this car, looking at the value on our platform, and you are purchasing that Ultima and you are freezing it on your wallet, you are going to have what we call voucher, right? That voucher, more like a gift card. That gift card, you can then use it, go to our platinum, our market, Ultima market, and then you use it to redeem that car, and that car will then be processed for delivery for you. When I say delivery, it's going to be ready between 4 to 8 weeks. The moment you purchase that car by freezing your Ultima. So if you look at it, it's like they're just gifting you a car. Now, let me throw more light. When you freeze that Ultima, it doesn't end there. They will give you your car within 4 to 8 weeks. It still doesn't end there, guys. That's why I'm super excited. You know what? That your currency, that your money that you froze on your wallet begins to pay you every 24 hours for the period of the 3 years that your Ultima is frozen. It pays you dividend, reward. Okay, to even break it down further, it reproduces more Ultima for you every 24 hours for 3 years. Let's assume someone put in $100,000. That $100,000 can afford right now at the current price 15 Ultimas. 15 Ultimas. One Ultima can pay you, say, $3, $4 per day, depending on the exchange rate. Now multiply $3, $4 every day as a reward, as an income by 15 Ultimas. And you're going to have this for, say, 3 years. How does that sound to you? And at the end of it, that Ultima